there, financial adventurers. Welcome back to the channel where we untangle the mysteries of money management and sprinkle in some laughs along the way. Today, we're diving into the wild world of variable life insurance, or as I like to call it, the multitasking superhero of the insurance world. We'll cover what it is, how it works, the pros, the cons, and whether it's the right move for you. Oh, and don't worry, we'll keep it simple, entertaining, and packed with actionable tips. Grab your coffee, tea, or maybe a protein shake, and let's get started.
All right, picture this. Variable life insurance, VLI, is like a superhero with two jobs, protecting your family and helping you invest. At its core, VLI is a permanent life insurance policy, meaning it lasts your entire life, so long as you keep paying those premiums. But here's the twist. Part of your premium goes into investments, like mutual funds, giving you a chance to grow your policy's cash value over time. It's like if your savings account and a stock portfolio had a baby, and that baby wore a cape. Here's the breakdown of how it works. Premium payments. You pay a monthly or annual premium. Part of that covers the life insurance, and the other part goes into investments. Investment options. You get to choose where your money goes, stocks, bonds, or a mix of both. Think of it like picking toppings for a pizza. Cash value. Over time, your investments grow, hopefully, and this builds your cash value, which you can borrow against or withdraw later. Death benefit. No matter what, your loved ones get a payout when you pass away. Sounds cool, right? But like every superhero, VLI has its kryptonite. Stay tuned. Let's talk about the good stuff first. Here's why some people swear by variable life insurance. Investment growth. Your cash value can grow over time, and the returns are tied to market performance. Flexibility. You can adjust your premiums and death benefit to suit your needs. Tax advantages. The growth in your cash value is tax deferred, and you may be able to borrow against it without paying taxes. Lifetime coverage. Unlike term life insurance, this coverage doesn't expire as long as you keep paying. Basically, VLI can be a powerful tool for building wealth, if you use it wisely. Now let's talk about the not-so-glamorous side. High fees. Between management fees, mortality charges, and administrative costs, VLI can get expensive. Market risk. Your cash value depends on market performance. If your investments tank, so does your cash value. Complexity. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of thing. You need to stay on top of your policy and investments. Surrender charges. If you cancel your policy early, you might face hefty fees. VLI is not for the faint of heart or the faint of wallet. So is variable life insurance right for you? Here's who might benefit. High-income earners. If you've maxed out your 401k and IRA, this could be a tax-efficient way to invest more. People with dependents. You get life insurance protection plus investment growth. Two birds, one stone. Disciplined investors. If you're comfortable managing investments, VLI gives you control and growth potential. But if you're on a tight budget or not investment savvy, there are better options out there. Imagine you're at a pizza party. You pay for your slice, that's the insurance premium, but the toppings are up to you. Those are your investment choices. If you pick smart toppings like pepperoni and mushrooms, diversified funds, you get a delicious slice. But if you go wild with anchovies and pineapple, high-risk funds, you might end up regretting your choices. The key is balance, just like with variable life insurance. Ready to get started? Here's your game plan. Do your homework. Research policies and compare options from reputable insurers. Understand fees. Read the fine print and ask about all the fees involved. Set your goals. Are you more focused on life insurance protection or investment growth? Choose investments wisely. Diversify your funds to minimize risk. Monitor regularly. Keep an eye on your policy's performance and make adjustments as needed. Remember, this is your money and your future. Take the time to make smart choices. And that's the scoop on variable life insurance. It's not for everyone, but for the right person, it can be a game changer. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button to show some love. Subscribe so you don't miss more money tips with a side of humor. Share this video with someone who's considering life insurance or just needs a good financial laugh. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, remember, investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. See you in the next video.